Welcome back to Eat, Drink, and Handle Your Business. I'm Jazz, your mixologist, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cucumber mint mojito.
Ooh, I'm so
yeah.
Mojito. Okay, well, then that's
Hola, poquito. All I know is poquito.
So when I went into my fridge, I said, what can I make? So I found a lemon and I found a cucumber, and the first thing that came to my mind was like the lemon infused water.
Oh yeah.
But have y'all ever had it with cucumber in it?
No.
It's off the chain.
So this is a healthy drink? So
it's somewhat, it is
it's
healthy.
like a smoothie. It's
Yeah.
the same thing, y'all. Cucumber is healthy.
It's like this can be a detox, but it can also be an alcoholic drink.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
gonna
detox.
detox you because you're gonna start sweating that liquor.
But I put a twist to it and switch it up. Instead of us using the water, we're gonna use alcohol.
Okay.
Talk to me.
Yeah.
Talk to me.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're gonna do first is cut our lemon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We're gonna cut that out. And just cut us some little slices.
Okay.
And then we're gonna cut this way.
Oh,
This side,
okay.
and cut it into a wedge.
Oh, so you cut the sides and then flip it over so you can get the rest of it. See?
Yep. And I'm gonna just
Oh,
take
so
this
that's
little-
what they put on the side of little cups to make garnish.
Yeah, then you just put a little slit right here.
Oh,
So that it can sit
okay.
on the glass.
Clearly, I'm only drinking the drink. I'm never making them.
Yep. Now our cucumber, we're just gonna cut this in half.
Okay.
Because we only need a few slices.
Okay.
That's probably enough right here. Now you can put this to the side.
You can tell she's an organizer, guys. After everything
yeah,
she
I
makes,
gotta-
she just sets it. We be just throwing cheese and everything everywhere.
Yep. I got
Especially
you.
they done been picking on me all day. Talking about you a man, you messy.
Yeah, he is really messy, guys.
So now I'm adding some mint leaves into the glass.
Okay.
That's for the church people. The mint is for the church people.
Cucumber
What?
in there as well.
What church you go to?
You know every church people like mints.
Episcopal
And they
alcohol?
don't, they need them. You know, they
Okay.
take you
Well,
turn to
this-
your neighbor
this
and the
is
breath
minty.
be jacked up. You need
So
a
this
mint.
is minty and it's going with the cucumber and the mint, it help you brush real good too.
Okay.
Okay. That's how you not get a DUI.
That's not how you don't get a deal. That's how you talk
That's
to
what a
the
girl told me in the strip club.
Why were you in a strip club?
I was young.
With
I
a,
You talking
didn't
about
have grade in. I
last
was young.
week? Last week?
No, I was not in there last week.
alright.
So what is this?
This is a muddler.
A muddler.
Yep.
Okay.
And I'm just muddling the lemon juice.
A
with
muddler?
Yes, a
Oh.
muddler.
That's a big word.
Okay, muddler. And we could just get out the little mint oils and the lemon juice and the
Oh.
Okay, Jasmine.
cucumber.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add some ice. So a little bit. I should have got an ice scoop, but this will work.
We got clean
Yeah,
hands.
you
We
can-
wash our
Yeah,
hands
clean.
like
Better
6
use them
times.
hands.
Actually, I can feel it.
Cause this is my favorite part of the show, guys. I know that I love to cook and we be acting the food, but
Uh-oh.
when I be tasting these little drinks and stuff, I really be having a good time.
Alright.
Oh, we know.
Now we can, the liquor that you can use, you can either use vodka or you can use rum, but we're gonna use this cucumber mint vodka by Kettle One.
Oh.
And
So
what?
okay.
Yep. We'll put 2
You got to
ounces in.
coordinate. See, you're coordinating.
Yep. We'll put 2 ounces in.
Okay.
I might
She
need an
said
extra
2.
ounce.
She said, see, I knew
Okay.
you guys. 2 ounces.
Yes. 2 ounces, but I'm gonna put an extra one in jars.
See, back in the day, you can get the ounce for 60 to 65.
Yep. And then we got some lemonade. Now you can make your own lemonade fresh, but I just bought this from the store because this tastes really good.
And remember, this is what you have in your house. Okay? So if you have this, just pop this bad boy in.
Everybody got some Simply lemonade or some type of lemon Kool-Aid.
Some
Yeah.
good.
The one you put all the sugar in.
Yep. Now we're gonna put this
That is
into
gross.
our shaker.
Oh, okay.
That real tight.
Okay, so hint. She said make it really tight.
Yes,
okay?
so it won't spill out. You want it real tight, just like this.
Shake, shake, shake.
And make sure you
Shake
have
your
a
booty.
pint-sized glass.
Okay.
Okay.
Pour it back in.
Oh, okay.
Same.
Probably make you give up that whack.
Oh, girl, you showing out today. How you showing out?
Okay, this nigga give it out right here.
No WAP giving away over here.
Yeah, don't be doing that. And some girls got that dap.
Oh my God.
And just take the wet and just put dusty. Okay? You don't want that.
No
We don't want no
giving
dap.
away
You
and
feel
no
me?
dusty over here.
Yeah,
Now we
please
got our
don't do
lemon
that.
wedge that we're gonna garnish it with that.
It's time to taste it.
Yeah, you take one.
Okay, lady, look. It was this gospel song I heard on the radio the other day.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, it was so good.
Oh.
Open your mouth, take some.
Hey.
Open your mouth, take some.
Okay.
Take some.
All right.
Take some.
All right.
Hallelujah.
Hey. Hey.
Open your mouth, take some. You gotta put it in your mouth.
What?
Oh, I'm gone. Bye.
Where y'all going? Y'all tripping, man. Listen, it's a gospel song. I didn't mean it like that. I meant taste something. If you want to taste something, you got to put it in your mouth.
What?
You know what I'm saying? But look, hold on. No, hold on. Since y'all want to leave me, you know what I'm saying?
John, you tripping.
I can cook by myself, drink by myself, film this show by my goddamn self, for real. By my goddamn self.
So delicious, you guys.
This
Oh my
is
God,
crazy,
Jazz,
That's how you
Jazz.
make a cucumber mint mojito. So
This
it's really
is
easy
so
and simple.
good.
You just me make you one?
I
You
make
ain't
one
getting
in.
none of mine.
Oh my God. Sorry. I'm
Drink
not
by
really
yourself.
that.
Keep on drinking by yourself. Keep on drinking by yourself.
No,
That's dirty.
it's so good. Oh yeah, fashion complimentary. This is the 1970s style shirt. I want to make sure.
Girl, that's that naughty by nature, girl. They had them overalls.
Yeah, I need to make sure compliments, okay? Because this goes
You down
so
with
well.
OPP?
Yeah, you know that. This goes so well with this, and you know, yellow is my favorite color, so mustard yellow. Okay. Hey. Oh my
Y'all
God.
left me out.
Yeah, we
See?
left you out.
That's why I drank these drinks by my goddamn self, for real. My goddamn self.
I'm done.
I don't know, it's too good. Tastes like
Cheers.
water almost. Good God
I know.
almighty.